North Maroon Peak is in the Elk Mountain Range and is Colorado's 50th highest peak at 14,014 feet. Our route is via Maroon Lake Trail. From Aspen, drive a mile west on Colorado 82 to the Maroon Lake Road. Drive south 9.5 miles on Maroon Lake Road to the trailhead. From Maroon Lake, hike southwest to Crater Lake at the base of the mountain. From Crater Lake, take the Buckskin Pass Trail to Minnehaha Gulch for about a mile. When the trail levels out, cut off the main trail to the left on a climber's trail and cross the creek. Begin to circle south towards the base of the peak to a shelf and an ideal campsite. From here, continue south past some ledges and then up the steep section to the summit.
Okay, folks, we're about to turn left onto Maroon Creek Road, on which we will be traveling for the next 10 miles up to Maroon Lake.
The two peaks that form the Maroon Bells are perhaps the most photographed in Colorado. The classic view is from the Maroon Lake trailhead, which makes the road very crowded. Therefore, the road is closed to private vehicles at peak times, and a bus ride may be the only option. For current bus information, call the National Forest Office in Aspen at 303-925-3445.
North Maroon, by some people, is rated the most difficult 14er. My son and I don't necessarily agree with that, but it will be one of the most photographic, and it is fairly difficult.
Last chance to see Pyramid Peak off to the left.
Pyramid from the parking lot, round trip's about 6 miles. Here's Maroon Lake parking lot. The trail goes to Carter Lake. We are here now. We will be taking the route to North Maroon. Now that trail that we were if we stayed on it, we could go to Capitol.
You mean Snowmass?
I wouldn't want to do it, it's too far.
You mean Snowmass?
Yeah, Capitol Lake, Snowmass area.
Yeah. I wouldn't want to go to Capitol that way.
That'd take a long time. Sure wouldn't want to do it today. This pack weighs almost nothing.
North Maroon Peak gets its name from the color of the rock. The peak was originally named Maroon Mountain by the Hayden Survey, but because it is actually two separate summits, the name was later changed to note both the north and south peaks. Together, they are known as the Bells because of their distinctive shape.
Don't haul ass too fast in this is where you get tired.
Yeah, that's how you get tired. You gotta pace yourself in here. This is a little tricky right in here. Doable, but take your time. It's one of the last easier spots. Relatively flat walking area right here.
All of the mountains in the Elk Range are composed of very loose and rotten rock. This makes climbing North Maroon dangerous because one needs good footing and solid handholds on its upper reaches. In addition to the potential of falling, there is also great danger of falling rock caused by climbers from above. Helmets are highly recommended.
Straight ahead is Capitol. To the left is Snowmass.
As the experienced climber ascends the mighty peak, he attempts to make it to the top of the ridge.
Not together. Top.
Far below them.
It's always good to carry a Pringles can on top of a 14er because if somebody takes the tube, the register tube away, you can sign your own piece of paper and seal your own can.